Multiplying and dividing with mixed numbers is just like when you have only a fraction. The only difference is that you have to turn the fractions or the mixed numbers into improper fractions. What you're really doing is you're multiplying this whole number times 3, and you're also multiplying this whole number times the fraction. So instead of doing all of the distributive property with each number, you can just combine all of it into one fraction. So we will turn 4 2/3 into an improper fraction by multiplying the denominator times the whole number, and that gives us 12. Then we're going to add the numerator, and that's going to give us 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2, going to give us 14/3. We're going to do the same thing for 3 2/5. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 2 is 17, so then we're going to have 17/5. When we multiply the numerators, 14 times 7, which I forgot what that gives us, gives us 238 in the numerator, and then 3 times 5 in the denominator gives us 15. Then when we simplify that, because the numerator is larger than the denominator, then we have to divide, and then our mixed number ends up becoming 15 and 13/15. Make sure you simplify. When you're dividing with mixed numbers, you do the same thing by turning each mixed number into an improper fraction. So you multiply the denominator times the whole number and then add the numerator, so that would give us 9/4. Change your operation to multiplication. Turn this fraction, mixed number, into an improper fraction. So this would become 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, and that gives us 5/3. But then you have to flip that second fraction, and that becomes 3/5. Multiply the numerators. 9 times 3 equals 27. 4 times 5 equals 20. Simplify because the numerator is larger than the denominator. That becomes 1 7/20.